Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best headphone parts is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of maintaining your audio experience. Finding the perfect replacement parts can breathe new life into your beloved headphones, saving you money and extending their lifespan. Whether it's a broken ear cup, a frayed cable, or a malfunctioning driver, this video will guide you through the process of selecting and installing the right replacement parts to restore your headphones to their former glory, ensuring you continue to enjoy pristine sound quality and a comfortable listening experience. Number 5. Beats Studio Headband Kit. Upgrade your Beats Studio headphones with this easy-to-install replacement headband. It's compatible with both Studio 2.0 and Studio 3.0 models, ensuring a perfect fit and restoring your listening experience. Watch our helpful YouTube video for a step-by-step guide. Installation is quick and simple, requiring only a screwdriver and a few minutes of your time. This headband is built to last. It's durable, fade-resistant, and designed to withstand daily use, keeping your headphones looking and feeling great. The kit includes one replacement headband, a screwdriver, and 4 screws. Everything you need for a seamless repair is right here. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you experience any issues within 90 days, we'll provide a free return or exchange. Buy with confidence. What we like. It's sturdy and won't easily break or fade. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included video guide. Plus, there's a 90-day return policy for peace of mind. If you need a reliable replacement that's simple to install and comes with a guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say. It was easy to install, almost the same color, and they work like new. Sturdy construction. Easy to install. Fit perfect. A simple YouTube tutorial allowed for ease of installation, which took under 10 minutes to do. They are a spitting image of the original pair. The sound quality has not been sacrificed at all. Number 4. AHG QC15 Replacement Pads. Are your old headphone pads worn out? These replacements bring back comfort and sound quality. Enjoy your music like new again. Experience lasting comfort with soft, high-density foam and smooth protein leather. They're designed to conform to your ears and head for hours of listening pleasure. These replacement pads provide a secure fit, reducing sound leakage. Enjoy your favorite tunes with renewed clarity and richness. Installation is a breeze. Our step-by-step guide makes it simple to get your headphones feeling like new in minutes. This kit includes everything you need: new ear pads, a headband, installation tools, and instructions. Get your headphones back in action quickly. What we like. These replacement parts offer superior comfort with their soft foam and protein leather. They're built to last with durable materials and a secure fit. Installation is quick and easy, following the step-by-step guide. If you prioritize comfort and a long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The replacement headband and ear cushions seem to be thicker and more comfortable than the original parts. The videos were easy to follow, even for a beginning repair person. I was particularly impressed by the mini tools they sent me, which I have saved for use on other small repairs. Easy to replace original headband and ear pads with videos provided. Great value and comfort. Number 3. Geekria Headband Cover Set. Upgrade your headphones with this comfortable and stylish headband cover. It's easy to install and compatible with many popular headphone models. This soft, protective cover cushions your head and extends the life of your headphones. Enjoy listening comfort for hours on end. It fits a variety of headphones from top brands like Bose, Beats, and Skullcandy. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach it to your existing headband using the hook and loop fasteners. No tools required. Made from high-quality protein leather, it's both durable and looks great. The sleek black color complements any headphone style. You'll receive one replacement headband padding. It's everything you need to refresh your headphones and enhance your listening experience. What we like. This versatile option fits many headphone models. No tools are needed for installation, it's a simple DIY project. You get both a headband cover and pad for complete protection and comfort. If you have multiple headphones or prefer a no-fuss installation, this is ideal. What people say. It fits the headset perfectly. Also, the quality of the product itself seems durable and comfortable. This Geekria headband cover fits onto my Apple AirPods Max headphones properly, and the foam pad makes the headphones wearable again after Apple's original thin, lacy, springy cushion on the headphones flattened out after about a year of use, causing the two metal rods of the headphones band to press down hard against my scalp, leaving uncomfortable indentations. This truly fixes the problem with the Headphone Parts 6 SE V2 headband, which presses a middle point of the top of my head and really hurts after a few minutes. This headband cover plus pad spreads the pressure across your head and simply solves the problem. It's comfortable enough. Number 2. Geekria Bose QC Headband Pad. Give your headphones a new lease on life with this replacement headband. It's made with premium materials for lasting comfort. Experience luxurious comfort thanks to the high-quality foam and protein leather. It's designed to perfectly fit your headphones. Replacing your old headband is simple and quick. Just attach it and enjoy renewed comfort. This headband is specifically designed for Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 Gaming, QC35-2, QC35, QC25, and QC SE headphones. It's a perfect match. Transform your headphones with this replacement pad. It will look and feel as good as new. The package includes one replacement headband padding. It's everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade. What we like. Made with high-quality foam and protein leather, it provides a luxurious feel. Installation is quick and straightforward. It's designed for a precise fit on your headphones. If you're looking for a simple upgrade with premium materials and a snug fit, this is it. What people say. The stock headband of QC35-2 was too soft to a point where the weight of the headphone is almost directly put by the hard plastic, so it gets very uncomfortable after a short while. This replacement one achieves a good balance. It's not too soft like the stock one but still soft enough to distribute the weight evenly. I'm not feeling the hard plastic and I can wear the headphone pretty much as long as I want. Great product. The description says that the Bose SoundLink is not compatible, but I decided to try it out anyway. It fits really well. The only complaint is the small holes on each end, but it doesn't bother me any. Looks good, feels comfortable, and the tool it came with made it incredibly easy to install. Took maybe less than 2 minutes. It came with a small screwdriver, convenient, and some clips to secure the headband. I can't figure out the point of the clips. They don't even fit the headphones. They just seem superfluous, like maybe this is just a universal project meant to work with most headphones, and those clips maybe work for other models. The instructions I found on YouTube were easy. It's not rocket science. At the end, it worked and I got it on, but it looks and feels cheesy and cheap, like a low-cost aftermarket DIY job with parts from Amazon. And it is, but does it need to look like it is? But if you're the type that cares about function over cosmetics, this will work. Number 1. SOULWIT ADHM50 Headband Cover. It fits a variety of Audio-Technica headphones. Double-check your model number before ordering to ensure compatibility. The curved stitching ensures a perfect fit on your headphones. It's designed to minimize wrinkles and gaps for a smooth, comfortable experience. Made from high-quality protein leather, it's both durable and comfortable. It will make your headphones feel like new again. Replacing your old headband cover is easy. Simply peel off the old one and attach the new one. Instructions are included. We're always striving for improvement. Contact us if you have any questions or issues with your purchase. What we like. The curved stitching ensures a perfect fit, minimizing wrinkles. It's made from premium protein leather for lasting comfort. Installation is effortless, just peel and stick. If you value a snug, wrinkle-free fit and premium materials, this is your best bet. What people say. It just didn't exist in any color other than brown. So I bought this one, which is for the ADHM50, and it fits just fine. The one main negative to this product is in the installation directions. Despite that, I was able to do this in less than 15 minutes. Everything you need is included, even a piece of tape for the headphone wire and the screwdriver you need for disassembly. Removing the old one was simple, and getting the new one on was only slightly tricky. The foam is thicker in this replacement than what was originally in it. That's a plus. And, the color matches. After installation, the headband replacement looks like it belongs there. It looks really close to factory, actually. It feels comfortable, looks stylish, and makes the headphones feel like new again. Installation was quick and easy, and the quality of the material seems durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.